got Elmer here, and we're gonna ask him some questions here. He's been kind enough to give a little bit of experience with day trading Forex Live, and the first question I was gonna ask is, what was your your experience in Forex market prior to day trading Forex Live? How long you been around? You know, what have you been through, and what's your experience been?
Well, I actually started trading the stock market locally back in 2006. It was actually the last leg of the bull market. Then in early 2008, the market collapsed. So I started to give him back my gains to the market faster than when I was making it. Then in early 2009, I got introduced to Forex trading and somehow fueled my passion again in trading. So back up with my knowledge in technical analysis, I started trading the Forex. But unfortunately, I think most of or a lot of starters in Forex normally get them robbed with their eyes open. So I lost a big amount that kept me out of trading. Not to mention, I also enrolled in courses. I also bought EAs, but all of them are seems to be an orchestrated effort to make me lose more money. So I focus my I shifted my focus back to my job. I'm an accountant, so I even got my promotion early last year. So, but it feels like my enthusiasm is not really there. So I started slowly getting back to trading stocks again, and then this time I'm getting small wins. Then that built up my confidence again. Then started searching for forex mentors. Started reading forex articles again, attending forex training, and here's where I came across day trading forex.
So that would, I guess that'd be my second question then is, if you had pretty well a similar experience to what I guess most people had. You probably tried everything out there, didn't find a whole lot of success, you were discouraged. And, it's a pretty common story that both Chad and I hear. And, I think a lot of traders can relate to that. So, I guess the next question would be, what has your experience been with day trading Forex Live? Has it helped you? If it has, in what way? What do you like about the service? And I guess what has been your overall thoughts with the service?
Yes, I actually started reading all the articles you have there, started watching the videos, and somehow all of a sudden it finally makes sense. It's like something like finding a missing piece of a puzzle or something inside me was turned on. I can now see a relationship between prices, high probability area, candlestick pattern correlation, and totally the market as a whole. Previously I'm trading candlestick pattern. I'll have my success um, two, three times. But after that, I'm still trading candlestick pattern, but I'm losing. But right now, when I see the relationship between prices, this high probability area, and then the candlestick pattern, finally makes sense. So I'm doing good right now. I really love the daily market reviews that you do and the daily commentary that Chad is doing every morning. I get to compare my personal analysis of the market with yours, and if I need to adjust, I do it accordingly. And I don't miss any of your twice a week live trainings. Besides of getting the live analysis of the market, I do get to ask questions and then get the answer on the spot. And especially on the live trainings where you do um, um, particular or discuss particular aspect of the trading strategy, it kind of reinforce what I have learned on the forex course initially on initially when I joined the forex trading forex live. So now my just like to share my trading statistic right now. For January, I actually have a 42% win ratio. This actually I'm winning 4 trades for out of 10 trades. But but I have 196 pips for that profit. It's kind of make the risk reward ratio finally makes it sense to me that even if you have a low win ratio but you have a very good risk reward, it will finally paid off. In early February, first week, I'm still with a 40% win ratio, but I already have 140 pips just for this week. So I'm actually looking forward to getting my 1,000 pip goal by May 1st, 2013.
That's awesome. You know, one of the things that we really try and preach is the fact that in order for a trader to be profitable, they have to mentally believe they can turn a profit. So when all these mentors tell them, "Hey, you got to hit 70%, you got to hit 80% to actually turn a profit," in their mind, that's very difficult for them to conceive that they could get to that point. So what we try and tell traders is, hey, with these smart money setups, they're going to produce really good risk reward. Therefore, your goal should be to get to a 50-50 win-loss ratio. And once you get to that point as a start, you know, you're showing right now that even at 40% or a little higher than 40%, you can make an amazing amount of money because these setups produce such a good risk reward. And that's what we hype on. But once you get to 50% or anything above that, the amount of profit that somebody can achieve, and there's an article on the front end of the site that discusses that, but it's just an amazing thing that happens when somebody realizes that risk reward is really the key to profitable trading, and it's really the key to, if you look at any of the big traders, the George Soroses, the Warren Buffetts, these traders, what separates them is how they allow their winners to run and how they cut their losers short. It's not that they don't have a lot of losers, it's just that they don't simply let them run and they let those winners run. That's really the design of the strategy. It's designed to get us into only the setups that are going to produce the high risk reward run from the entry point. So anyways, well, Elmer, I appreciate you sharing your experience with us. Is there anything else that you'd like to say? Would you recommend the service? What has been your overall thought on the service?
Well, I'm really happy with joining Day Trading Forex Live, and I'm hopefully soon I'll be sharing more of my results in the community.
It's awesome. All right, Elmer. Well, I appreciate the kind words, and glad you're enjoying the service. And we will talk with you soon.